For a quick benchtop router, make a plate that's useful. I'll show you how. This opening on this plate is much too large for what I'd like to do. So we'll make a plate with a smaller opening so it will be safer for the benchtop router system that I'm using. First, we'll make an outline of the plate itself. I'd like to take this time to thank all my new subscribers and welcome them aboard, and my old subscribers for hanging with me for so long and watching the videos. I would like to thank all the viewers that take the time to stop in and check out the wood shop stop to see what's going on. Now I'll cut the square out of this sheet using the bandsaw. This is a quick method. Now I'll cut the circle out. Trying to stay just outside the line to get the full circle. And once I've cut the shape out, I'll finish it up on the belt sander. Here we'll sand to the line and we should have a nice completed circle once we're done. Now I'll draw the screw holes onto the new template so they can be drilled out. Using the old template makes it a snap for locating the holes on the new template. I'll use this awl to punch a starting point for the drill bits. This gives the drill a point to follow, so I can make the hole more center. First, I'll drill out the counter bore so that the screw head will sit flush below the surface of the plate. And then I'll follow that up with the screw major diameter to go through. I want my counter bore just a little bit deeper. The screw is too close to the surface. So we'll take it a little deeper with the larger drill. Now I'll cut the center hole. let's see how I did. If this lines up, it'll be great. Perfect. All the screws fit in line with the existing holes. With this plunge feature, it'll be a snap to set the depth of the bit. Now I'll put some paste wax on the face of this plate to protect it and to make it smooth, and pieces will slide over it easier. Hard to believe how much that paste wax is going for these days. I think the last price I saw was $160 for a can of that stuff. So they don't make it anymore. The first cut, look at this. That flush trim bit did a great job on that edge. That's it for this video. Feel free to watch another.